Hello guys, so we are just developing a simple password generator. First of all, I'm initializing the password length and the required character list. So uh, I have defined the initial length as 8, and I'm just defining a character list, and I'm just getting the list using the get char list method. So in and now I'm defining the get char list method. In this we are just using the string module to basically get the required letters, digits, and special characters, and just returning the uh, all of them. Now I'm just using creating a generate method. First of all, I'm defining an error using the colored. So by using colored and cprint method from the term color, we can uh, customize and generate colored text. So if our password length is less than 8, we are just generating the uh, error message, and